In this tutorial, I will be focusing on this question: how can I make extra money on social media? This video provides some expert advice and practical methods on how to make money with social media. So if you're interested in learning some simple to follow actionable tips for how your small business can generate income with social media, keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video because that tells me you like the content and I'll then create more content for you. Thank you, let's go. Method number 1, earn commissions through sponsored posts. One way your small business can earn money from social media is by promoting the products or services of other businesses. This is known as sponsored posting, and it's a direct way to make money on social media. A brand will sponsor posts to show up on relevant pages, and when a user clicks on that ad, you get paid. This is a good way to leverage a large following on social media. Most social media platforms have a sponsored post setup. Twitter even has a direct link to sign up for their sponsored posts. Visit sponsored tweets to match your company with relevant topics and start earning money with each relevant tweet. Amazon makes it simple to promote affiliate products through its Amazon Associate program. Each time a sale is made from the link you share, Amazon pays you a small percentage. For more information on getting started with the Amazon Affiliate program, visit their webpage. Sponsored posts are blog posts or social media posts that brands and companies pay bloggers and influencers to write or create. Companies pay for sponsored posts because they want to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, get more leads, and generate revenue. These are the steps to working with brands for sponsored blog posts. Pitch a brand you'd like to work with or find them on influencer networks and apply to the opportunities that fit your profile. Figure out what the sponsored content will be, topics to cover, blog posts and other content details. Decide on a pay rate. Create a plan of action, do the formalities, contracts if applicable, and create content and get paid. Set up an amazing blog. First things first, set up a blog that looks professional, easy to navigate, loads fast and leaves you with a great impression. To that end, set up a self-hosted WordPress blog with SiteGround. Use a great theme, for example Astra. Optionally, you could use a page builder such as Elementor to further customize how your blog looks and feels. Build a readership and grow your audience. Companies want to work with bloggers and influencers who create quality, helpful content for their readers. They also want to work with people who have a dedicated audience. So first things first, build a blog that people trust. I mean, that's the entire point of landing sponsored blog post deals, to connect brands with their ideal customers. Set up a sponsorship page on your website. Some companies have people in their PR or marketing team whose job it is, or at least part of their job is, to look out for bloggers and influencers in their niche. You'll make their life and your too a lot easier if you set up a dedicated page on your site with some general information about how you work with a potential sponsor. Also, make this page easily accessible in your main navigation, for example. Prepare a media kit, which is a template. You should create a media kit even if you don't think that you're ready to partner with brands. Sometimes opportunities may come knocking on your doors. I've heard stories about brands wanting to partner with relatively new bloggers, and you want to be ready when that happens. Prepare a contract. Just like a media kit, it is useful to prepare a contract and have it ready to go. Also, like a media kit, you'll be sending a contract customized to the company you're working with and the specific content type and pricing. So it is useful to have a contract template that you can easily and quickly customize. Now, you may not always need to provide a contract. Sometimes the company you're working with may have their own contract too, but even so, it is still good to have a contract ready just in case. Create top quality content that attracts sponsors. Quality content is the heart of your blog and social media. With it, you can attract readers and loyal followers to your website. What's more, with enough quality content, you can grow your audience and your platform, and brands may begin to take notice. On the whole, your content should always look to provide good value to your readers. What this value is represented by, such as how-to articles or humorous anecdotes, will depend entirely on your audience. Either way, it should be interesting, shareable, and include plenty of links to other great integrate internal and external content across the web. Method number 2, get paid for reviewing affiliate products. Another way to make money through social media is by reviewing affiliate products. Companies will seek out reviews from other companies with similar customer bases and they'll pay for them. For example, you run a salon, a shampoo company might ask you to publish a review of their newest product on your blog. They get their brand in front of new customers and you get paid. There is one caveat. The law requires all affiliates to disclose their affiliate relationships. For more on this law, review FTC Affiliate Disclosure Ultimate Guide. Disclosing sponsored posts isn't just a law, it's also a good business practice that promotes honesty with your followers. Select a profitable niche. To start, it's crucial to choose a niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, and market demand. Focus on an area where you can offer valuable insights and establish yourself as a trusted authority. Consider factors such as search volume, competition, and potential profitability when selecting your niche. Build a website or blog. Having a dedicated platform is essential for your affiliate product reviews. Launch a professional website or blog that is easy to navigate and visually appealing. Optimize it for search engines to attract organic traffic. Incorporate relevant categories, tags, and user-friendly features to enhance user experience. Research and select affiliate programs. Identify reputable affiliate programs that are relevant to your niche. Join established networks like Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, or Share a Sale, which offer a wide range of products to promote. Ensure the programs you choose provide competitive commissions and reliable tracking systems. Research and review products. Thoroughly research the products you intend to review. Consider factors such as quality, features, benefits, pricing, and customer feedback. Try to gain hands-on experience with the products whenever possible. Genuine and well-informed reviews establish credibility and build trust with your audience. Craft engaging and honest reviews. Write reviews that engage your readers and provide valuable insights. Begin with an attention-grabbing introduction, highlight the key features and discuss the pros and cons of the product. Share personal experiences and incorporate real-life examples to make your reviews relatable. Remember to maintain transparency and honesty throughout your content. Optimize for SEO. Search engine optimization (SEO) is crucial for driving organic traffic to your website. Conduct keyword research to identify popular search terms related to the products you're reviewing. Incorporate these keywords naturally throughout your content, including in the titles, headings, meta descriptions, and image alt tags. Additionally, focus on writing high quality, informative, and shareable content to attract backlinks. Include affiliate links strategically. Strategically place affiliate links within your reviews to maximize conversions. Insert them naturally and relevantly throughout your content, preferably in the introduction, conclusion, and product comparison sections. Use persuasive call to action phrases to encourage readers to click on your affiliate links. Promote your reviews. Creating exceptional content alone is not enough. Actively promote your reviews to drive traffic and generate conversions. Leverage social media platforms, email marketing, guest posting, and collaborations with influencers in your niche. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, questions, and feedback, fostering a sense of community. Track performance and optimize. Regularly monitor the performance of your reviews and make data-driven decisions. Use web analytics tools like Google Analytics to track key metrics such as traffic, conversion rates, and user behavior. Analyze the data to identify areas for improvement and optimize your strategies accordingly. Writing affiliate product reviews can be a rewarding and profitable endeavor when done correctly. By selecting a profitable niche, building an engaging website, crafting honest reviews, and optimizing for SEO and promoting your content effectively, you can create a successful online business. Remember to stay dedicated and continuously improve your skills and strategies to stay ahead of the competition. Method number 3. Join an influencer marketing platform. Joining an influencer marketing platform is another great way to make money with social media that can require as much or as little time as you want to put built into it. And influencer marketing or monetization platforms such as Shop Your Likes connects brands with influencers and makes it easier for both to work together. Most of these platforms require a certain amount of followers to get approved and may specialize in one social media platform. While links can be placed on any platform, Shop Your Likes influencers often focus on Instagram stories. Once approved by Shop Your Likes, you will be able to access your performance dashboard and see all the brands available for you to promote. By using the link generator, you can create a link for any page of these brands' websites, share it on Instagram or anywhere on social media, and get paid every time someone clicks or swipes on your links. At a fundamental level, influencer marketing is a type of social media marketing that uses endorsements and product mentions from influencers, individuals who have a dedicated social following and are viewed as experts within their niche. Influencer marketing works because of the high amount of trust that social influencers have built up with their following, and recommendations from them serve as a form of social proof to your brand's potential customers. Partnering with an influencer with millions of followers might sound like a dream come true, but it might not be the best fit for your brand. Some social media influencers have large, broad audiences spanning across several demographics. Others boast smaller but more targeted and engaged communities. Knowing what each type of influencer can offer you in terms of reach, range, cost, and engagement is key to choosing the right ones for your brand. Find influencers and understand their payment structure. Much like any strategy, research is the first step. Choose the platform you want to focus on first. You can always expand to other platforms later, but if you're just starting out, stick with one. Ideally, your brand should already have a presence on this network or be looking to expand into it. If you're unsure of where to begin, social listening can help you identify where people are talking about your industry and brand, and it can help you find the most influential voices in your industry on each platform. The industry you're in also matters when you're planning to implement an influencer marketing strategy. Beauty and fashion brands shine on Instagram and YouTube. The video game industry dominates on Twitch. Method number 4. Sell your own products or services. Another way to use social media to make money for your small business is by selling your own products. You can turn your social media accounts into a sales funnel for your business's products or services. In fact, some social media sites allow you to turn your social media accounts into virtual online stores. The difference between social selling and social commerce. Just like any other channel, selling on social involves two distinct steps: building interest in your products and brand and engaging with prospective customers, often referred to as social selling, and removing as much friction as possible from the checkout process itself to convert that interest and engagement into sales, known as social commerce. Social selling is the use of social media to sell indirectly by focusing on the network part of social networks and building genuine relationships with potential customers or the people who influence them. Here's what social selling might look like in action: monitoring for relevant conversations and replying to comments from prospective customers, turning on post notifications for influential people so you can engage with them and their audience, posting social media content that shows off your expertise, charisma, and values to attract your ideal customers, and sending direct messages to introduce yourself to potential buyers, leading the conversation with value rather than a sales pitch. Social commerce is the use of social media to sell directly by facilitating some or all parts of the online shopping process, from browsing products to buying them. Social commerce connects people, products, and content together for a more social shopping experience by making product information available where engagement is highest on content featuring the product, allowing shoppers to browse comments and likes, not just reviews, to gauge how people feel about the product and brand and then buy in a few taps. Empowering content creators to curate and feature your products in their social media shops, making product links more shareable by embedding them in shoppable content, and eliminating the gap between consideration and checkout by saving shopping details like the customer's email, credit card, and shipping address. When it comes to social selling, not all platforms are created equal. Certain social media sites are better for selling products simply because they've already invested heavily in social commerce features, or because they make attracting your target audience easier. The good news: almost all the most popular social platforms offer integrations with Shopify, letting you connect your social media channels to your online store, sync your entire product catalog and sell in many places at once. The order may vary depending on your business, but when you consider daily active users, overall influence on product purchase decisions and social commerce functionality, the best social media platforms for selling products today are Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and Pinterest. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which method from this video you are going to use first. I'd be interested to hear from you. So the next thing to do, if you want to accelerate your learning even further and develop your digital skills, make sure you go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you are interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please like the video. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.